Hi, my name is Oliver and I'm from Perth, Western Australia. In this short video I just wanted to take the time to explain the main features of my Sparks Will Fly project, which is the Environmental Impact Awareness Node, or AIN for short. There are a number of items that I would have liked to include, but as the project progressed I found myself focusing more heavily on certain aspects. So first of all, let's have a look at the hardware that I used. This is a Fidgets interface board with a number of inputs and outputs. Connected to that I had a temperature and humidity sensor, a precision light sensor, and note that the Fidget uses a USB connector. This is a Kitsaurus K145 temperature sensor. It supports up to 4 sensors in fact, but it uses a serial port with raw data stream. These two interface boards have a totally different type of communication and drivers, but the AIN core actually makes it quite simple. You simply have to implement the IOInterface class and extend the start, stop and initialize functions, and the AIN system will then be able to load your driver and provide the data logging functionality straight to the database. This works with a number of supporting registry entries which provide the entry point, and then the device is listed under that, which is the index, and the transform here provides the conversion from raw values to actual values, and then this is a statistical mean or sum type operation for providing statistics. There's a number of other additional options, and then we have on the actual file system, each interface has its DLLs in a folder with a version number, and each interface has a database where all the data is stored. So the idea here is that it's very simple to create drivers, and they can be transparent. Doesn't matter how complicated the hardware is behind it, as long as it implements the I/O interface. So just briefly, this is the mentioned sensors running at the moment. If I cover up the light sensor, you'll see that it changes dynamically from a load text file JSON string here, and also the data, the devices and the settings for all the interfaces are stored here, which any mobile device could actually access through the web. Let's have a quick look at the charting functionality. I just added this for demonstration purposes. We can say choose period here for 12 hours, set it to today at say 10 AM this morning, set on light intensity, and that'll generate your chart. We can change the sensor here and it'll dynamically update the chart. So it's all pretty straightforward. This could be extended quite dramatically if it had to be. I'll leave it at that for the charting. So we've seen that the AIN core has quite a solid API for logging data, and also has a few other support modules for retrieving data through the web and providing other functionality. So thanks for listening.